1013 Grammy. Straight ahead are the gates to the community. This has been a very successful floor plan for us. HOA covers the front landscaping. The seller still has items in the garage. So we need 2.5-inch forward blinds. The paint condition looks good. I was told by the listing agent that the paint and the flooring is new. These are nice high walls, and this patio overhang provides privacy more than anything else from the second floor windows of the other units. The sun doesn't hit that side, so it's more for privacy than anything else. Beautiful undermount sink. Cabinets are in great condition. Appliances are looking a little dated. Jenny will let us know if that matters. It may not with such a beautiful kitchen. It may. Sorry, the light doesn't appear to be working. Okay, so we have our water heater over there. This is the same one-car garage as in the other units. So we have a white stove. Condition of everything looks great. So this is a wall of mirrors. Jenny generally doesn't like a wall of mirrors because she doesn't want a kid or a thing, an animal or something bumping up against it breaking, and it causes a hazard. So we'll see what she says about leaving it or removing it. Oh, we have the 2.5-inch forward blinds up here. That little piece is $15 or $20 to replace. It's something you see in a lot of properties. There are chips in the sink. That's also normal. Usually not worth repairing because the repairs don't tend to last long and it doesn't affect the function of the sink. So we also have the 2.5-inch blinds in here. The paint and the carpet looks great. This bath has an actual bathtub. Everything looks great. Paint, counters, flooring, and all of that. Looks good.